Welcome to Click to Coach training. In this video, I'll show you how to create e-learning content that can be sent to agents as part of a coaching package. In order to send relevant coaching information to your agents, you must first create that content as e-learning clips. E-learning clips all live on the Recordings tab in the e-learning section. The clips are all organized into folders in a tree that originates from the e-learning home folder, which you cannot rename or delete. Let's create a new folder for the clips we're about to make. I want to create a folder in the main eLearning home folder, so I'll right-click here and choose Add Folder. It's important to create the folder where you want it to live, since you can't move them once they've been created. Now everyone with access to the eLearning tab can see the new folder. Okay, let's make some clips inside it. We'll right-click the folder name and choose Create New Clip. We'll start with a simple web clip, which is just a link that opens up a website. I'll name the clip, choose the folder I want it to live in. The folder you right-clicked is selected by default, and I'll leave web URL selected as the type. I'll type or paste the website address into this box, and it's always a good idea to test the link. Then I just click Save, and I've created my first clip. Back on the eLearning page, I click the folder to refresh the view, and there's the clip we just made. If I right-click and play the clip, it will open the web page right away. Alright, that was really simple. Now let's make an audio-video clip. You'll use these when you want to make a video of your mouse motions with your voice recorded over them. Same as before, just right-click, choose Create New Clip, give the clip a name, and make sure it's going where you want it to live. This time we'll choose Audio Video and click Save. So here's the Start Recording button, which I'll use in just a minute. First I'll get my screen ready to be recorded. It's important to note that the video I make now will contain everything that shows in my monitor, not just the active application window or browser. Okay, let's start recording. While you go through the mouse movements, you'll speak into your microphone to describe what you're doing or to tell the agents what you want them to know. You can't crop or edit your clip inside of Click to Coach, so for best results, you'll want to plan out exactly what you're going to show and say. When you're finished recording, look for this icon in your system tray and double-click it. It takes a few seconds for the recording to appear in the list, but I can go look for it now. And there it is, ready for us to right-click and play it back. Since it recorded my whole screen, I'll use the scroll bars to find the relevant parts. The last way to create e-learning content is to take existing agent recordings and convert them into e-learning clips. I have a recording that I sent to my inbox that I think would be perfect for this, so I'll go open it up. And there's my recording. When you convert a recording into an e-learning clip, you have the option to use the entire recording or to convert just a section of it, which you can define by placing marks in the recording. I've put a couple of marks already in this one, using this button here, that indicate where I'd like the clip to start and end. Now I'll be able to create an e-learning clip that will play just the part of the call that falls between the two marks. To create the e-learning clip, I right-click the recording and choose Convert to e-learning. This makes a copy of the recording, leaving the original one intact. I name the new e-learning clip, and this time I have to choose the folder where I want it to live, since there isn't one chosen by default. Alright, so here's where I can crop to the marks I placed in the recording. I choose where I want the clip to start, and then I choose where I want the clip to end. Then I just click Save. I get a preview of the cropped clip, and it looks just like I wanted, so I'll go ahead and close it. Now let's go see what it looks like in the e-learning folder. Here are all three clips we just made. If I want any of these to be available to add to a coaching package, I have to publish them. Until they are published, they won't show up in the list of options. To publish a clip, I right-click it and choose Publish. If I want this clip to expire, which automatically unpublishes or suspends the clip after a certain date, I can uncheck this box and then click in here and choose the expiration date from the calendar. Then I just click Publish. The published clip can now be added to coaching packages. To unpublish a clip so that it's no longer available, I can right-click and choose Suspend. In this video, you learned to create e-learning clip folders, build e-learning web clips, record audio and video e-learning clips to demonstrate and explain actions, convert recordings into e-learning clips, and publish and suspend clips. After watching this video, you're now ready to use Click to Coach to create e-learning content.